Hello, my name is Wahyu Widayati. In this video, I will explain how to teach blind students the perimeter and area of a square.
Bagaimana membelajarkan keliling dan area persegi pada siswa tunanetra.
The tools we will need are folding paper, a geoboard equipped with pins and rubber bands.
Kemudian geoboard, kemudian paku, dan juga karet.
Before we learn about the concept of the perimeter of a square, I will illustrate a square by folding the following folded paper.
Keliling persegi, saya akan mengilustrasikan bangun persegi dengan cara
First, we divide the folded paper into two parts horizontally. Then we fold it back into two parts again. We press it so that the folds are well filled.
menjadi dua bagian seperti ini. Kemudian
Then we open and fold it again vertically. We fold it in half. Then we fold it again, we press it and we open it again.
Kemudian kita buka, lalu kita lipat lagi dari sisi yang lain. Kita lipat menjadi dua seperti ini. Kemudian kita lipat kembali seperti ini. Kita tekan.
After we open the folded paper square, you will get small squares. This is the shape that we will calculate the circumference of.
Dapatkan persegi kecil. Ini adalah bangun yang akan kita hitung kelilingnya.
First, we touch the top left corner. We slide it to the right to meet the fold.
Kita geser ke kanan.
This is compared to 1. For example, 1 unit.
Misalnya 1 satuan.
Then, shift to the right again 1 unit. The length is 1 unit. Then, to the right again, the length is 1 unit. And the length is 1 unit again to the right. So that, from the bottom left to the bottom right, to the top left and to the top right, it is 4 units long. From the top right corner, we slide down to meet the first fold.
Dari ujung kanan atas, kita geser ke bawah ketemu.
This is 1 unit long.
Ini panjangnya 1 satuan.
Down again the second fold, 1 unit. The third fold, also 1 unit. And the fourth fold until it meets the bottom right corner, 1 unit. So the length is 4 units.
Sehingga panjangnya adalah 4 satuan.
Then from the bottom left we go right up to meet the first fold, 1 unit long.
Ketemu dengan lipatan pertama, panjangnya 1 satuan.
Slide again to meet the second fold, 1 unit long. Go up again to meet the third fold, 1 unit long. Then meet the top left end, 1 unit long.
1 satuan dan sampai dengan kiri bawah. Panjangnya 1 satuan.
So that the left side over the left side is 4 units long.
Bagian bawah itu panjangnya 4 satuan.
Then from the bottom left we go right up to meet the first fold, 1 unit long. Slide again to meet the second fold, 1 unit long. Go up again to meet the third fold, 1 unit long. Then meet the top left end, 1 unit long. So that the left side over the left side is 4 units long.
Kemudian bertemu dengan ujung kiri atas 1 satuan. Panjangnya 1 satuan. Sehingga
if the total is added up, there will be 16 units. We write that the length of the perimeter of the square is 16 units.
Maka akan terdapat
What we get by adding up the 4 side length of square is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, so we get 16 units.
16 satuan yang kita dapatkan dari penjumlahan 4 panjang sisi persegi, yaitu 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4 ditambah 4. Sehingga kita dapatkan 16 satuan.
So it can be concluded that to find the length of the perimeter of the square is 4 times the length of the side of the square.
Adalah 4 kali panjang sisi persegi.
Next, we will calculate the area of the square. We are back to using the folding paper, which we have folded into small squares. So, how do you calculate it? We count together.
Kertas lipat yang telah kita lipat menjadi persegi-persegi kecil. Nah, bagaimana cara menghitungnya? Kita hitung bersama-sama. Nah, pertama di sini kita
So, first here we put the number 1.
kemudian di persegi sebelahnya.
Then in the square to the right we write 2. Go right again 3, go right again 4, then go down 5,
4, kemudian turun ke bawah
then go left 6, left again 6,
6, kirinya lagi 7,
left again 8, then go down to down
kemudian
9,
turun ke bawah 9,
then right 10, right again 11, right again 12, then down 13,
12, kemudian turun ke bawah 13,
left 14, left again 15, and finally 16 small
15,
squares.
dan yang terakhir 16 persegi kecil. Maka
So, for the square area of the folded paper that we folded earlier, there are 16 small squares.
kita lipat tadi terdapat 16 persegi-persegi kecil.
From the large square, we get 16 small squares, where each of the small squares has the same size, which is 1 unit area. So, the area of the large square is 16 squares unit. We write the area of a square equals 16 area units.
Sehingga luas persegi besar adalah 16 satuan luas. Kita tuliskan luas persegi sama dengan 16 satuan luas. Jika kita raba pada kertas lipat,
If we touch the folded paper, it has 4 rows and 4 columns.
nah 4 buah baris, ya 4 buah baris, dan 4 buah kolom. Nah, ini ada kolom.
Now there is a column. If we multiply the row and column, this will produce 16 area units. If we say that the number of rows is the length of the side, so that means the length of the side is 4 rows, and also the length of the column. The number of columns is the side length.
Sisi, nah berarti panjang sisi adalah 4 baris, dan juga panjang kolom itu juga panjang, banyaknya kolom adalah panjang sisi, maka luas persegi
Then the area of the square is obtained from the formula side length times side length.
sisi dikali panjang sisi.
Furthermore, students can calculate the perimeter and area of squares with different sizes. For example, a square that has a side length of 5 units.
Dengan ukuran berbeda. Misalkan saja persegi yang mempunyai panjang sisi 5 satuan.
That's the learning video from me. Thank you.
Saya